So let me show you how you're gonna respond with a voice message on your iPhone. So as you can see inside of my Messages app, when I go to any conversation I want, I'm gonna receive a message like this. And if I wanna respond to it with a voice message, this is what I need to do. What I'm gonna do first is holding down on the actual text bubble like this, where I get the reactions at the top and a couple of things below. But the thing I wanna click on is reply. So when you reply specifically to this message, you can see that it grabs the bubble and lets me reply in regards to that message. And obviously I can type it in using the keyboard as usual, but if I want to leave a voice message, I'm actually going to click on the plus button and find the audio message. So that's what I'm going to click on, and now I have started adding or recording the voice message. So as you can see, I have the stop button in here. It's already been 10 seconds of the voice message, and when I'm done with it, I can hit done. I can play it back just to check if everything is fine like that. But if I'm happy with it, I can click on send, and I have replied to one particular message with a voice message, right? And as you can see, it has the transcription below. So, very useful stuff. Just keep in mind that this only works for blue text bubbles, which means for iMessage only. If you have the green bubbles going on, meaning you are using the regular SMS text messages, in that case, this is not going to work simply because that feature is not compatible. But as you can tell, it's pretty simple. Let me know if it also worked the same way for you as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next uploads.